cells! Our teacher keeps talking about cells. It's like he's obsessed with them, but they're so microscopic. What's the big deal? What have they ever done for me?
Are you crazy? Cells are all around us. You can't get away from cells. They help us with some of the most important functions in our body. They're on your dog, they're in your food.
Yeah, you have some cells in your skin. And look, you have some cells in your hair. Seriously? Come on, you can't see cells with your eyes.
Yeah, they're microscopic, meaning they're so small you can only see them with a microscope. Everything that makes up your body is made up of cells. Lots and lots and lots and lots.
We get it.
And lots of cells. I wish we could go to Cell City.
Well, good thing I always carry around a microscope. But there's nothing for me to look at. This will do it. Now, lock in your seatbelts, put your seats in the upright position, and send phasers to Cell City.
Welcome to Cell City. We are the cell membrane. You can think of us as the gatekeepers of our small and humble town.
Yes, we control who comes in and out of Cell City. In other words, we are selectively permeable, so we don't just let anyone in.
Our job is to keep our city safe, so certain things like Mr. Crow will stay out. They won't be allowed in. Other substances we deem necessary for our city to survive will be allowed in. Since you all are guests, you may enter.
Hello, you have reached the power plant of the cell city. We are the mitochondria. We help provide the cell with the energy it needs to keep things running well.
Yes, without us, the whole city would be shut down because nobody would have the energy to get work done. Imagine if you had a blackout in your own city. It'd be hard to get any work done without power. I thought you could compete against the Chromebook.
If we didn't exist, Cell City wouldn't be able to work. Uh-oh, gotta get back to providing energy. Now get out of here.
Oh good, you're here. We always need help here. Welcome to one of the many factories here in Cell City. We are the ribosomes, and we are the best at making proteins. We produce some of the finest proteins the cell has ever seen.
It's quality stuff. I mean, other ribosomes might make their own proteins, but this is the finest. Don't you think? Our proteins are used all over the place. You can find them in your hair and your fingernails. Hey, you might even find some in your saliva.
How do you get around Cell City? By freeways and streets, of course. We're the endoplasmic reticulum, so if you need to travel around, just find us.
We'll take your places. We're in charge of the transportation system around here, so hop on Highway ER and you'll be to your destination around the cell in no time.
We also help form proteins as well. Those ribosome factories can be found all over our highways, and those proteins hurtle down our highways as soon as they're produced.
There is rarely ever a shortage of protein here in Cell City, so that keeps the Skull Divines busy 365 days a year. We are the post office of the cell.
We receive the protein so that they can be packaged. Once they are packaged, our workers will deliver them to where they are needed in Cell City.
You have time to deliver all these proteins delivered in 30 minutes or it's free. So you need a place to store your belongings? You've come to the right place. We're the factory wolves. We're the warehouses in Cell City.
We store food and other nutrients that the cell needs in order to survive. We hold off things that the cell needs to store food. If you got junk bags contaminating your space, then we can store that in our warehouses. We'll keep all that waste here with us, and we'll eventually send out our Cell City for you.
Look at all the waste around here. Some things sometimes end up a little worn out here in South City. That's why us lysosomes are so important. We like to keep things clean and tidy.
We are the recycling center of Cell City. We'll take the things that are getting old and worn out in the cell, break them down, and turn them into something useful again.
Cell City depends on us to keep things in working order. So if you got something old, we'll take care of it. We'll process it into something new.
Is a piece of food too big for you? We can also help break down large food particles into smaller ones. Think of us as your mom cutting up your food for you.
Finally, you have come to the most important place in Cell City. Welcome to the nucleus. Welcome to the City Hall, also known as the nucleus. This is the place that controls everything that happens in Cell City.
Yeah, we're kind of a big deal here. We are in charge of everything that's happening in the cell. If we had a mayor, he or she would live here in the nucleus.
Our city hall also contains instructions called chromatin that's used to direct the Our city hall also contains instructions called chromatin that's used to direct the cell's functions. These instructions are like blueprints that tell the city how it's going to grow. Alright, the cell city tour is officially over. You better hurry over to the cell membrane and get out of here. The lysosomes are coming soon to break you down.